Hi, my name is Vanessa Del Rio, and this is the Al Maha Resort and Spa located in Dubai. The Al Maha Resort will soon be opening up a spa at 1215 Bordeaux Drive, Sunnyvale, California, Santa Clara. As I began to do research on the Al Maha Resort, I came to find out that Islam is very prominent in Dubai. And so I began to do research on the Islamic pottery and its making. I came to find out that pottery has six phases. The first one being the introduction to water to the clay, then this plastic when it's molded, leather when texture and pattern is added, bone dry when it begins to harden, then bisque when it's completely hardened by the kiln, and then the last stage, which is glazing, the final stage of sealing and decorating. I wanted the layout plan to allow clients to start at the back of the building and undergo the six phases until they reach the end of their journey. Due to this post-pandemic era, we tend to feel a little bit down, mostly like dirt, similarly to the beginning stages of clay. The Al Maha Resort allows you to undergo these six treatments throughout the space so that you can come out feeling like a fresh glazed pottery. I decided to use the teal geometric tiling since Islam believes teal to have mystical qualities, and I wanted to complement that with warm tones. I wanted to continue the trends of the teal throughout the space, but I wanted to implement Islamic tiles representing the geometrical patterns of the Islamic pottery. The furniture throughout the space has natural elements like wicker, cotton, and wood. Here are some sections of the space where you can see the staff, storage room, sauna, treatment, pool, lobby, locker rooms, and the lounge. The reflective ceiling plan allows you to understand where the decorative chandelier, the stained glass domes, and the three domes in the front are. The massing model allowed me to get a sense of the space, to make any changes in order to continue for the final floor plan. I decided to incorporate arches in order to contribute a little bit of the Islamic architecture. The dome ceilings represent turned over pottery bowls, and the tiling and glazing represents the geometric patterns and glazing on the pottery. As you can see, the shelving on the back hold pottery where it can be displayed and purchased. The stained glass lighting hall is backlit stained glass, which colorful lighting can come through, representing the glazing on pottery. The lounge area also contains Islamic tiles representing the geometrical patterns on the pottery. Then we have the pool area, which represents the clay being introduced to water. Then we have the yoga area, which represents the strengthening of clay. We have the treatment rooms that represent the molding of the clay. And here we have the final model. Here's the front. You see a little bit of the reflective ceiling plan. Here is the back. Another version of the back. Thank you so much for your time.